Today, we are not just giving awards or certificates. Today, we celebrate journeys. The journeys of our students who faced challenges, worked hard, never gave up, and turned dreams into achievements.
This ceremony celebrates not only the lessons they learn in the classroom,
but also our growth, perseverance, and the lessons we have gained. Today we celebrate not only our hard work, but also the memories and friendships we have built together.
Some of us may feel a bit overwhelmed today because we are stepping into a higher level. We shouldn't be sad. We should be happy and grateful because it happened.
We've all had moments of feeling unmotivated. But look at us now.
Every step you have taken, every challenge you have faced has led you here. Today, we honor not just your success, but your dedication and heart.
to our dear achievers, always remember that learning does not end here.
Your educational journey is not yet over.
Sa totoo lang, ito pa lang ang simula. Habang tumatagal, makaka-encounter kayo ng iba't ibang challenges sa buhay. May pagkakataon na hindi magiging madali ang mga bagay at may mga moments na magdududa kayo sa sarili niyo. Pero tandaan nyo, failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success.
As we step into the next chapter of our journey, let us continue to believe in ourselves, pursue our dreams with passion, and bring pride to our families and our school.
Keep striving, keep dreaming.
And shine wherever you go.
Never stop learning. Kahit matapos kayo sa school, patuloy pa rin ang learning natin sa buhay. Alagaan nyo ang inyong character. Yung skills, natututunan yan. Pero ang character, ito ay nabubuo ng ating daily choices.
These are not simply given to you. These are choices you must develop within yourself. When competence and character walk hand in hand, you will not only become successful, you will become people who make the world better.
Competence can bring you to success, but character is what keeps you there. Years ago, nakaupo rin ako sa kinaupuan nyo. Naka-uniform, medyo excited, medyo kabado. Iniisip kung ano bang mangyayari sa future ko.
I may not know your exact struggles, and while our stories are different,
In the end, our hard work and support for one another helped us overcome obstacles and become stronger.
The time we have is limited, and that we need to make the most out of it every single day. For I want every single one of us to enjoy and make the most out of the moment that we have left. As every passing moment, every passing year, we get older, and as we get older, we step into a whole new world from what we are used to.
all the bonds we built, all the laughter we shared, they are now precious memories that we'll carry in our heart.
We may find each other again in crowds, wearing different uniforms, surrounded by different people. But even so, I hope we all continue to choose path guided by the things that matters to us the most.
And we might not ever meet again, but I hope that each and every one of us who are here right now gets to be happy, contented, and successful in life 5 to 10 years from now.
Pero gusto kong linawin sa inyo na ang success ay hindi tungkol sa titulo, posisyon, o sweldo. Ang tunay na success ay kung paano tayo nag-grow bilang tao at kung paano natin ginagamit ang ating kaalaman para makatulong sa iba. Huwag niyong kakalimutan kung saan kayo nagsimula. Dalhin nyo, matutunan nyo habang kayo patuloy na nangangarap at nagsusumikap. Baka balang araw, may engineer, may doktor, guro, negosyante, leaders na manggagaling mismo sa batch nyo. At kapag dumating yung araw na yon, sana maalala ninyo na ang Filipino graduates katulad ninyo ay handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at magandang pagkatao.
Halos lahat po ng anak ko ay nabigyan ng opportunity ng TCA para i-represent ang school nila. At sa murang edad ni Cloud, naisip niya kung paano na yung vision niya. But with the help of this school, nabigyan po siya ng scholarship as a volleyball varsity player. The school will also have a special place in our hearts. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being part of our family's journey.
Maybe we are small today, but we have a big dream for tomorrow. I hope we continue to be a good and responsible possible to them for our brighter future.
May our experiences inspire us to aim for greater heights and never give up, no matter the challenges ahead. Let us look forward to a brighter future together.
Keep this memory like a fresh photograph that will soon fade and yellow, as this moment will always belong to us. Cardinalian, the road ahead is ours to figure out. So keep moving, keep wondering, keep trying. After all, our future starts here.
And may God continue to guide and bless each step of your journey. Soar high, Cardinalians. Move forwards, onwards. Congratulations, to God be the glory.